Create a canvas or a thumbnail or a representative picture which reflects the content of your video which you want to publish in YouTube or which you already published in YouTube. You have two or three ways how you can do it. First of all, you might have dedicated softwares which allow you to do so. For example, Filmora, Snagit, and Camtasia and other softwares. Or you can just use your Office products like Microsoft PowerPoint or Microsoft Word to do that. Personally, I will go with the easiest option and I will show you how you can do that with PowerPoint, suggesting that everyone have PowerPoint installed in their computer. To do that, just open your PowerPoint application, choose blank presentation, delete everything, and we will start here. So here you will have uh, two options, and I will show you each one of them. So first of all, you can just go to design and choose the design which you want, and you can simply insert word art text, and you can type the text which you want to use. You can always edit the size, select your text, change the color to red, choose the size, and choose also the canvas style. I will adjust the title to fit exactly inside my picture. And here, as you can see, I have created a canvas, and let's correct all the typos. And here we are ready to go. So I will just click Ctrl S to save, or you can simply click on File, Save As, Browse, locate where you want to save this canvas. And here, before you click Save, we are going to make few changes. Knowing that YouTube accepts canvas and thumbnails only as a picture format, so you cannot upload it as a PowerPoint presentation. So here inside Save As Type, we are going to change from Open Document Presentation. We are going to go to JPG, File Interchange Format, or Graphics Interchange Format. And there is also PNG option, Portable Network Graphics Format. I will choose PNG. I will name it, let's say test, and I will click Save. You will be asked if you want only to change to, if you only want to save this slide, just select just this one. Now, next step, open your PC shortcut, go to the location where you have saved it, and look for it. So here I have it, and we're supposed to name it test, but here we have it. This picture fits exactly the criteria of YouTube, and it will be accepted. There is another way. If you have already a picture which you would like to use, let's say that you are making a video tutorial about Facebook or whatsoever, Microsoft, etc. All what you need to do, create a new blank presentation. Again, delete, delete, insert, pictures, this device, and choose the picture which you want to use. So I will try to locate pictures. So I will choose this one, insert. I will adjust it to fit exactly in my presentation. And here again, insert word art, and you can just name it. Select your text, change color as you like, change size, change the font type, readjust to be exactly fit inside. And here we go. And again, we will proceed with saving, browse, PNG, location, and I will click presentation to save. We'll just choose this one. We open again, and here is our presentation, or here is our canvas thumbnail ready.